Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the lid lock harness clip on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, a putty knife, a utility knife blade, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Carefully slide the capacitor to the left. Now remove the 2 1/4-inch screws. Insert the putty knife approximately 8.5 inches from the edge on both sides and press in firmly to release the spring clips from the panel. Lift the top slightly and slide the harness retainer out. Then slide the lid to the side for easy access to the retaining clips. Use the utility blade to undo the retaining clip. To install the new lid lock harness clip, tuck the lid lock harness into the inner lip while snapping the retaining clip along the edge of the top. Slide the top panel over and reinsert the harness retainer. Align and firmly press down on the front of the top to secure it in place. Rethread the 2 1/4-inch screws. Slide the capacitor back into its groove. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.